Hey guys, what's up? Dalton Tusing here, aka O Silent Reaper. I'm here today to discuss on my gaming chair. I'm not an affiliate with Amazon. It's just a computer chair that I found and it looked really cool. It was about $160, $170, but that was including taxes, depending on the state you're in. But yeah, let's just get right on up into it. If you have any comments or if you'd like to just chat with me, you can join me on twitch.tv/OSilentReaper. So here we have the gaming chair box. My cat's even curious on getting inside this as well. Or she just wants to sit on it and lick herself. But I did get this from Amazon. If you would like, I will put the link in the description down below if you'd like to check it out yourself. But we're going to get into this bad boy. Hopefully my cat doesn't get in the way. Sorry about the camera angle. I kind of have to hold this. Hey, the cat moved. I didn't think she would move so quick. I really hope this thing's pretty cool. I hope this thing is awesome. This chair is going to be way more comfortable than that chair. That's for sure. That's like an office chair. Alright, let's see. I do know this chair was... I think it's awesome. This chair was $160 on Amazon. And this chair was... It looks very comfortable. I love the gaming chairs and how they're designed. I think this is honestly like an off-brand. Oh, look at that. There's that nice carbon fiber. Oh, yes, I know. I picked green. Oh my god, I'm stupid. They didn't have red at the time, so I was like, I'm just really picky and I wanted to get this chair like now. So unfortunately that's red. It's like a crimson red. If you'd like to see my desk setup, I also have another YouTube video that you can also watch. But yeah, I had no choice but to pick the green. I was just picky and I wanted to get the chair immediately and just get it done, and I was just like, yeah, let's just get this freaking thing. Because I am sick of that thing. That thing's so uncomfortable. So yeah. Oh god, what is all in here? I do believe this is like an off-brand of the originals or something. There's a little scratch right there. That's okay, I don't really care. I'm not picky. To an extent. Ooh, there's that like nice little pillow. These things are going to be so cool. Got the legs, arms. I think that's for the leg rests. Yes, I picked one for a leg rest. I'm lazy. Oh, this one looks like a big pain in the butt. Where'd my knife go? There it is. Love this. This is just gonna be so comfortable. Love opening a new box. My cat disappeared out there. Yes, I'm in love with Black Butler. I love anime. Anime is awesome. Anyways, those are the wheels. Oh, there's the top piece. We got the wheels. Oh wow, this looks really like very complex. Oh god, I'm gonna need to screw stuff together. Oh. Come on, open. Put you aside. Alright, what else do we got? Wheels. Toss over there. Nothing else to care for. Go over there. Yeah. An arm. Let's pop you over here. Just chill. Another arm. Look at that. Put you over here. Just chill there. Just can chill over here too. Oh, that looks amazing, doesn't it? Look at that. That spacer. Oh, this looks so comfy. It looks like it's just gonna hug me. And you don't anymore. Because you hate me. I'm kidding. She doesn't. She loves me. She's annoying sometimes, actually. She's kind of a mean cat. She's very mean. I'm just like ripping at this because I just don't care. Open. I want it. Ooh, is that the bottom? Look at that. Ooh, there's the bottom. That's gorgeous. Move. Oh goodness. This is not working or cooperating. Okay. They're garbage. I don't know what's in this little box. Oh. This is more complicated than it seems with one hand because I have to hold this camera. That looks nice. It looks like a puke green. Not gonna lie. I honestly might. Doesn't that look like a puke green? I like carbon fiber though. That's really cool. I feel like I'm gonna have to paint that desk green. So here we have all of the pieces out of the plastic. And we're gonna put this bad boy together. And we even got directions. But we're gonna set this up. And we'll see the end results. Looks pretty cool though, so far. Okay, so the bottom part half is done. Yeah, you can hear SAO in the background. I love that show. There goes my cat. But yes, the bottom part is done. Just to let you know, the screws down here underneath to get this brace on is a pain. I don't know why, but it took some time to get them on. But yeah, there's the bottom part. I think I have those backwards. I gotta flip those around. That's the bottom part so far. Well, here's the finale on the chair. Looks pretty good. This is even the cool part right here. This actually spins in. And you can push this in, which is really cool. But yeah, it's pretty solid. It looks very weird, yes, because of the green and the red. But in the end results, it's very comfortable and I like it. I love it. It's pretty nice. So, ending results, I'm actually very satisfied with the chair. It's pretty nice. It's pretty comfortable. I like it. It actually goes all the way back too. Hey guys, so the computer chair is actually pretty solid, as you can see. I'm sitting in it right now. It's pretty comfortable. It goes all the way back, goes all the way forward, which is pretty nice. It's got a little recliner on it, type of thing. Pretty cool. It's pretty nice. If you like this video, don't feel afraid to hit that subscribe button and also that little bell so you'll know when I have another YouTube video. And also, if you would like to comment on this or talk to me about this chair, join me on my Twitch. I will put the link in the description down below. My name is O Silent Reaper. But yeah, all in all, I give this chair from a 1 out of 10, I give it probably about a 9. Just because of the fact the screws underneath are a pain. That's about it. But nothing came broken. It's pretty solid. But yeah. So yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one.